Hi, I'm Jerry,
And I'm Albin.
and we recently had Kitchen Mart remodel our kitchen for us, refacing the cabinets, the countertop, and backsplash. And we're really pleased with the work that was done. And so when I spoke with a neighbor about Kitchen Mart and he described how it was all organized, you received a schedule, I thought, that's the way I want to do it. In talking to Susan, she encouraged me to always look at the materials because she knew the feeling I wanted, get away from the really dark.
Well, you have to appreciate what it was like before. The backsplash was so undistinguished.
We got a look that I was looking for, light and open, and we're really pleased with the work that was done.
And the whole thing just kind of worked synergistically. So it was a good team effort.
The quality of the workers. These workers were always concerned about doing a good job. It was, we want you to be happy with your kitchen. And that came from all the teams. They said, here, you can be done in 3 weeks. And I thought, sure, we've been through enough remodels. But every day, whatever was on that calendar happened. They cleaned up and we had a beautiful kitchen. We're very proud of their work. From my experience, I absolutely would recommend Kitchen Mart. It was just easy, and I got exactly what I wanted, and so I would really recommend them.